Hey guys, welcome back to, this will be part 3 I think of our lip declutter. I'm gonna switch things up today. I'm gonna do glosses because I think my lips need a little bit of a break, and then if they're feeling okay I'll do some more lipsticks in like part 4 after. So let's get started on the glosses. We have so many. We're still like in the working my way through my makeup collection so we haven't reached the main drawers yet. So for a girl who did not like gloss, I've got a lot of them. It's the same with blush. I've got so many glosses, so many blushes. It's like, I feel like my lips are a bit stained because I just had a like purple lipstick on, so try to focus on it, I guess. Let's just get started. First one I have here is from Colourpop, and it's in the shade Tied Up. I feel like that's quite nice actually. I quite like that. So first one can stay. I'm really hoping these will be easier to remove than, you know, lipsticks. But this one is from Fenty, and this is in the shade Sweet Mouth. It's one of the gloss bombs. Oh, it smells so good. That's real pretty. Yeah, that's really nice. It's really nice. Guys, this might be a video where we don't get rid of many. Another Fenty, this is Diamond Milk. This is probably really old. I honestly forgot that I had so many of these Fenty gloss bombs. They were really popular when they first came out. I feel like they still are actually. That's really pretty too. Oh, it's so hard because glosses just make your lips look nice, you know? So, I used to be such a matte lip girl. Glosses are so pretty. This is the Glamlight and Michaela. It doesn't have a shade name, it's just gold. It's like the gold shade, I guess. It is pretty, but I think I'm going to get rid of it. It's just a little bit too much with all the gold pigment in it. Like gold flakes. Like it is actually really pretty, but I think I can do it without. I've got, this is the Fenty Beauty Cream one in Bubblegum Pink. So I don't think this is a gloss bomb. Oh, it smells really good. I don't even know how I ended up with this, honestly. That's gonna be a declutter moment. Reminds me of, like, that is like Barbie if I've ever seen it. It is really cool, like it's super vibrant, but I just know I'm not gonna reach for it. This is from Glamlight. This is the Whiskey lip gloss. It's pretty, but it's just not for me. I feel like if, you know, I was gonna go for something this pigmented, I'd just get a liquid lip, I reckon. So yeah, that's a no. Doing glosses is so much easier. This is a Morphe one in Chill. I'm not going to bother swatching on my lips because I'm going to get rid of it. But that's the shade there. It's kind of like a kind of caramelly, you know, shade. So get rid of that. I've got another Morphe one. This is Pixie. That is really pretty shade, but I'll get rid of that one as well. You see just there. This is the Luna Beauty one in Enchantment. I love the smell of Luna Beauty lip products. Oh, they smell so good. It is super cool, but I don't need it. Very holographic. Or like Joy Chrome or something, you know. This is the Kylie... What are these called? These are like the super... So they were called something like the super glossy lips or something like that. This one's in the shade You Glow Girl. I honestly really love it. It's really cute. It's a little bit pink and a little bit on the like I don't need it side, but also kind of love it, so I'm going to keep it for now. And it's like weird because I think that in the last video I got rid of the matte lipstick in this shade. The You Glow Girl one. We're doing pretty well though. We've decluttered a fair few already, so. This is the Glamlight and Strawberry Shortcake Gloss. There's no like shade or anything, it's just... I thought it would smell nice, it doesn't though. It's actually quite pretty. I quite like it, I think. I feel like this could... or is it a little bit like too kind of red? I don't know. I feel like I'll leave it for now. Like I'll keep it for now. I feel like it'd look better, you know, obviously not with like this eye look. And I think it's throwing me off because a little bit of like the foundation around my lips has been removed. But I think I actually do like the colour. This is Glass Slipper from Fenty, and I really like this one. So pretty. How pretty is that? I want to start taking this to work. I feel like it's so nice. I actually really like the Fenty gloss bombs. Doesn't that just make your lips look so like healthy, you know? This is the other Glamlight and Michaela one. This is like the silvery kind of shade. Once again, it doesn't have like a shade name. This is like another holographic one. It's got like green and gold in it. It is really pretty, but once again, I kind of love it, but I also know I probably wouldn't wear it. I'm gonna put that one as like a maybe for now, because it is kind of unique and cool, but that will be a maybe. I have another one from Glamlight. This is vodka lip gloss. I kind of like this, I think. Yeah, that's real nice. I like it. It can stay. This is the Sour Patch Kids Morphe Gloss in Watermelon Sparkle. Oh, it smells so good. It honestly is really cute. But this might be like the only Morphe product I hold on to. I think I'm going to keep it, honestly. Even if I use it like off camera or something, like I feel like I could take that to work or something. I just feel like it's quite... One, it smells really good and it is pretty. I do like it. It reminds me of Lip Smackers and I feel like that's why I'm holding on to it. This is the Morphe 2 Gloss in All Smiles. I'll swatch this one on my hand. It's really cool. It's like an orangey shade. It's that one there. And I'll pass that along. I'll get rid of that. Now, I'm sad about these next couple, but I think they need to go. Oh, I don't know. So these are from Colourpop, and these are ancient. They came in like a Christmas collection-y thing. There's Spice Cake, Sugar Plum, Eggnog, and Peppermint Bark. And I think they're all scented from memory. Yeah. And they're so pretty, but I feel like they need to go in the bin because they're literally so old. I'll swatch them all on my hand. Yeah, they're all scented and they all smell so good. And I really, really, really want to keep them. One, I haven't used them in actually so long. Even when, before this video, like, yeah, they used to sit in my collection. I barely ever used them. They're so cute. I really struggle to pass along cute stuff. So there they are, all swatched on my hand. They're such cute shades. I really don't want to get rid of them, but they need to go. I honestly forgot that I had them. Too Faced just really gets me with their like holiday packaging, but they're very old, so I'm gonna pass them along, even though it breaks my heart. We have another Morphe gloss. This is the Madison Beer collab. This one's in the shade Mercury, and I think I actually used to really like this. Yeah, it is a really pretty shade. It's that one there. But it needs to go. Have another Colourpop Luxe Gloss in Blissful. Let's try her. It's just a bit too milky for me, I think. So I'm going to pass that along. Kind of like my glosses to be like really, really shiny. I don't love that like kind of milky look, if you guys know what I'm talking about. This is one that I for sure want to keep. It's the Lizzie McGuire and Colourpop one in Lizzie. It's a squeezy tube. It smells like bananas or something, like juicy fruit. Oh god, I can't get rid of it. It's so cute. Love it. Keeping. But it's another one. This is the So Juicy Plumping Gloss in Beechwood, and I honestly loved this so much, and I feel like I still would. And I honestly really want to keep it. But that's the shade there. I think it needs to go in the bin. This is so old. And I have all of the new like So Juicy Plumping glosses, although I do love the original squeezy tube, but that's the only reason I'm passing along. Otherwise I probably would have held on to it. But I recently got sent all of the new like So Plumping Juicy glosses, so I'm like fine. The Lizzie McGuire one's a little bit like newer though, so that's why the only reason I'm holding on to that. This is the Anastasia one in Summer Vibes. Wow, I've not seen this for so long. I think I like it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it for now. It's real pretty. It's like peachy. This is a Colourpop Luxe Gloss in Sippy Sippy, and it's so stunning. It looks so pretty in this beautiful like golden shade, like a bronzy. How pretty is that? It's really nice. I'm gonna keep that one. This is the Laura Mercier Gloss all lip glaze in Rose. See, I feel like this one might be a little bit too milky, so I'll pass her along. I have another one from Glamlight. This is Irish Cream. That is so pigmented. And this is another one that I'm going to pass along. These shades on me look so terrible. So god awfully bad. Got another Colourpop one in Ticklish. Another another like one that's a little bit too milky. Pass her along. And I honestly think that's going to be where I call it for today, guys. I actually feel a bit sick. I think it's because I woke up. It's like 1 p.m. and I've been filming since I woke up and I haven't eaten yet or anything. So I'm kind of like... I got like the head thing's really bad just then. So I'm like, I'm going to go have some lunch, I think. Okay, let's do a quick little tally. So we kept 11 and I think I am going to keep this one. So that's 12 that we kept. We got rid of 17. So that's not too bad at all. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in the next part. Bye.